Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's episode, we want to compare between the Zoom application and the Jiomeet application. Which one of them is the best? We are going to make this comparison to help you make a fine decision on the one you're going to choose for your video conferencing task. First, I want to point out that these two applications, the Zoom app and the Jiomeeting app, both of them are designed for video conferencing, and you can use them also for voice calls. When you turn off your video, the voice calls become almost excellent and seamless, just like when you're using your normal cellular network. You can use it for voice call and video calls. All right, so the Zoom meeting app is absolutely free. When the conversation is between two participants, you can talk and use the video conferencing for as long as you want. For several hours, up to 24 hours, you can keep using it. But if the conversation includes up to 3 persons, then your meeting is going to be restricted. It's going to be 40 minutes. And after that 40 minutes, your meeting is going to be interrupted. It's going to be ended. Then, if you want more features, you are expected to pay a monthly fee or annual fee so that you can have unlimited meetings. At least up to 100 participants, there is a fee. If you need more than 100 participants, there is also a fee for that. So this is one of the major area that the Jiomeeting app now has an advantage. The Jiomeeting app is also for video conferencing. If you are having a meeting and your participants are over 3 and up to 100, Jiomeeting app allows you to host your video conferencing for free, uninterrupted. You can host it for even up to 24 hours if you like, and it's not going to be interrupted. So this is a plus for the Jiomeeting app, which we do not have on the Zoom. You have to pay. A lot of people are concerned, although the fee Zoom charges is not so high, but a lot of people are bothered because they also have to afford their data subscription so that they will be able to be online for the period the meeting will last. So while you're catering for the data, you're also catering for the subscription fee. So if you can have that fee waived off, which is what Jiomeeting app is doing, that's a huge bonus. So a lot of people are giving a more preference to their Jiomeeting app. All right, basically that's that for the area of their features. But there's one more feature that make the Zoom app stand out, which the Jiomeeting app do not have. If you open your Zoom meeting like this, and you have a meeting running, there is a feature that allows you to share a whiteboard screen. When you go to share, and on this screen as you're seeing it, you see your share whiteboard. This share whiteboard makes this tool excellent for people who are teachers and seminars and for training purposes, because there are tools here that you can pick and use them for drawings, annotations, explanations, and more insight. This tool is not available on Jiomeeting app. I can just quickly pick a tool here and then choose this color I want, and then I write, maybe I make a sketch of something. I'm trying to describe something, you see, and we don't have those feature on the Jiomeeting app. You try to describe or state something you're explaining in figures or make a sketch. This I don't get on the Jiomeeting app. All right. Basically, I would advise, if you are having a meeting and your participants are going to be over 3, 3 and above. And likely you're not going to be using this annotation or whiteboard on your meeting. I will quickly advise you to rush to the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, depending on your device, and install the Jiomeeting app. It is free. You have all the same features you want to have. The both app allows you to accept visitors from the waiting room. Both meeting apps have passwords, which means they are secured. Even when someone has a password, you cannot gain access into the meeting until meeting host admits you into the meeting. This feature is available on Zoom. This feature is also available on Jiomeeting app. So both of them are secured. Both of them are clear in terms of voice and video. And both of them can share regular video screens. Supposing you want to share a video or want to share a picture to your audience, both of them have the features. So basically, if you can afford the cost also for Zoom, I will advise you to go ahead for Zoom. But if you are concerned about that, Jiomeeting app gives you the same feature. So I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you have more questions, feel free to post your questions on the comment section. If you need more guide on how to use the Jiomeeting app, we have already posted videos on tutorials how to use the Jiomeeting app. We also have a video on how to use the Zoom application. We have also produced recently a video on how to use Google Talk, and expect a comparison coming up soon. We want to compare between Jiomeet, Zoom meeting app, and the Google Meet app. Which of them is the best? What features do they have? So we are going to share this very soon. Keep an eye. You're going to be updated soon once the video is out. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share this video so that others too might get this information. Thank you for watching. See you again on the next video.